Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Caro, and today I want to talk a little bit about sponsored content with you. Since my channel has started to grow, I've been reached out by brands more and more in order to do sponsored content. And first of all, I want to share with you why I think it's amazing that brands want to sponsor content creators, artists, musicians, poets, and all kinds of creators around the world. We are putting a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of love into creating all these beautiful things to share with all of you. There's a lot of content creators, myself included, who at the moment are not interested in doing a Patreon kind of thing because I really want my content to be as reachable as many of you as it can be, and that's when sponsored content comes in. I love that brands can reach out to us content creators so they can sponsor us and we can keep on making free content for all of you. I love the idea of making content that is accessible to everyone, and yeah, that's why I think it's amazing that brands are reaching to creators, supporting what we do so we can keep on creating content as accessible and as free for everyone out there. And with that being said, if you've seen my channel before, if you've seen my artwork before, you know that I am in love with our planet. I am in love with Mama Earth, and nature is the vehicle behind why I paint. And my objective with painting, with creating, is to invite others to fall in love with nature as much as I've fallen in love with nature. So I think that it's just pretty natural that the brands that I'm partnering with are brands that are on the same page as I am and have the same values that I do. So my pledge with Mother Nature, my pledge with myself, and my pledge with you, who are the reason why I'm able to live doing what I do, is that I am only partnering with brands that respect, love, and work in unity with Mama Earth and all its living beings and all its peoples. So I just want you to know that whenever you see a video that has been sponsored by a brand, before partnering with them, I am doing a bunch of research on where are their products coming from, what resources are they using, where is that product going after it's being used. So either if it's compostable, biodegradable, recyclable, what are the ingredients that their products are made. I try and stick to plant-based products, and I know there is a lot of greenwashing out there, so I'm also taking that into consideration. So I do my best at doing the research of how is the company treating their employees, as well as where are they investing their resources as a brand. And I'm always sticking to these rules, and I'm trying my best at being able to learn more and more from each brand. Of course, there are going to be some pitfalls around the way, I just want you to know that my pledge is that I'm only partnering with brands that respect, love, and work in unity with our planet, with its peoples, with its living beings. That being said, I also want to mention that I don't believe that big corporations are evil and that we should cancel them or whatnot. I feel that the idea is to bring more people into this train of sustainability. So if there's any brands out there that want to partner with me and are taking a pledge to work towards a more sustainable production, or are taking the intersectional environmentalism pledge, or are learning and moving towards more sustainable practices or anything on those lines, you might see me partner with them as well. And yes, so every time that you see a video or any photos or any content that I'm putting out there that has been sponsored by a brand, I want you to know that I'm taking this pledge pretty seriously. Please remember that the next time that you see a sponsored video from me or any other content creator, this is what helps us keep the lights on. And I'm also trying my best to not only put sponsored content out there. I am doing a lot of content that is not sponsored by anyone, and I want to keep it that way. And if you are a content creator, I hope this can also inspire you to take a pause and see what is your own pledge when making sponsored content and choosing which brands you are working with. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot, if you like what you see or what you hear here. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!